to apply this Good Vibes Balancing Face Mist, and it is a very hydrating toner which helps to tighten and balance the skin pH level for a beautiful glowing skin. Next, I'm going to apply this Good Vibe Rosehip Face Serum, which is really very good for the skin. It maintains the skin elasticity and smoothness. After that, I'm going to apply this Lotus Moisturizer. It does not have sunscreen, but it's a very good nourishing cream. It does have green tea extract in it. For primer, I'm going to use this Purple True Gold Primer 24K. So I'm going to apply this on my face. So before applying foundation, it's very important step to apply primer, so never miss. Next, for foundation, I'm going to apply this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff. So I'm applying in a dot form all over my face and going to buff with this blending brush. If you want, you can even use the beauty blender. Next, for concealer, I'm using this NY Bay concealer in the shade Ivory. I'm going to form a triangle. So I'm going to apply that same on my eyes. I'm going to highlight my face. Then I'm going to blend this nicely with the help of this sponge. You can even blend it with the fingers because this concealer blends easily. It doesn't take any efforts. After that, I'm again taking little bit for more coverage. So I have applied near my eyebrows as well to give an arch look. Then for contour, I'm going to take this SFR V-shape contour palette and I've taken that shade. I'm going to contour my nose first, then hollows of my cheeks, jawline, forehead. I'm going to blend this with the same sponge in the dabbing motion and in the upward motion. So blend everything nicely. Then to set my concealer and foundation, here I'm using this Makeup Revolution Banana Luxury Powder and I'm going to bake my face. Next, I'm going to apply the leftover powder all over my neck and ear. Then I'm using this Music Flower Gel Eyeliner. I'm going to fill in my brows. So firstly, I'm going to brush with the help of this spoolie and going to fill in the gaps. And if you don't know how to fill in your brows naturally, I have already done a video, and if you're interested and would like to learn, so I will mention the link in the description box so that you can check that out. After that, I'm going to dust off the excess. Then for eyeshadow, here I'm going to use this Savannah Colors eyeshadow palette and I've taken that shade and going to take that as a transition shade and I'm going to focus that in the outer corner of my V shape eyes and blending it into my crease in and out. So I'm trying to deposit that color in the outer corner of V and blending it. Then I'm taking this shade and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. After that, I'm taking this shade and again I'm going to focus it in the outer corner of V and blending it in and out. Then I'm going to apply that same shade on my lower lash line. And blending everything nicely so that there are no harsh edges. Then I'm using the Swiss Beauty glitters. I'm going to use this shade and I've already done a review of this, so if you're interested you can check out the link. I will mention it in the description box. Then I'm using this Blue Heaven Kajal. So firstly I'm applying it on my waterline and I'm going to apply it as an eyeliner as well. If you want, you can even use the gel eyeliner. Then I'm going to create a wing and drag it down. Then applying that same kajal on my lower lash line and my lower waterline as well. Then I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Then for mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Applying it on my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm using this L'Oreal bronzer. After that, I'm using for blush this Makeup Revolution blush palette. Then for highlighter, I've applied this highlighter on the forehead and my bridge of my nose. Then for lips, I've applied the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I will mention the shade in the description box. It's a kind of nude shade. Then I'm using this Max Factor lipstick, which is in shade Burnt Caramel. So I'm applying it nicely. Then to set my makeup, I'm going to use this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray so that my makeup stays for a long time. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So this is the final look.